Today I'm going to show you guys how to pop out your SIM card and your SD card from T-Mobile's new RevvlRy smartphone. First, you're going to need one of these SIM tools. That's going to be how you open up the plate. And you're going to find the plate on the phone. It's going to consist of a little hole where we're going to use this tool to pop this plate out of the phone. So you're going to take this SIM tool, right? And then the side that looks like the needle, you're going to just put it right into that little hole where the plate is, and you're going to push down on it. When you push down on it, the plate will pop out. There you go. Now you're able to take out this plate, and this plate is where you're going to put in your SD card and your SIM card. You can put one and not have both, or put both of them together. As you can see right there, that's where the plate goes into. Now once you put your SIM card and your SD card on the plate, you can go ahead and put the plate right back into the phone, just like this. Struggling a little bit with one hand. But you're just going to put the plate right back in the phone with both of the cards in place. Sorry guys. There you go. Now once it's in there, it'll automatically read your phone and the SD card without any problem.